Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. But first off, I want to say before this video gets started, this video is sponsored by Poshmark. If you've never heard of Poshmark, then stay tuned because I'm going to tell you all about it. But this is my Poshmark closet if you guys want to check it out. The link is down in the description. Make sure and click it and download the app and check out my closet. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I'm probably going to regret. I have a huge confession to make, and I think some of you may already know it. You know how I like to keep my home nice and clean and tidy and all that fun stuff? I have a really big secret. I feel shame when I think about it. I won't even look at it. I don't even deal with it. I can't. But today I've decided to tackle the monster. So I'm actually really embarrassed to show you guys the closet of doom, or whatever you want to call it, the black hole. It's really bad. I'm giving you a warning. It's really bad, and you're going to say, oh, but you're always cleaning, your place is always so neat and organized and yada yada yada. But you ain't seen nothing yet until you see this closet, and I'm going to show you it today. Probably gonna need some therapy after I'm done with this, but I'm going to try to tackle this problem today and eliminate as much chaos and junk as I can. I have no clue where to start. I'm just gonna open up these doors and begin. If you have a room or a closet that is gonna be anything like what I'm talking about today, I will tell you ahead of time, I have 2 boxes right here, and I'm also going to get a garbage bag, and I am going to separate what I want and feel like I need. I'm a hoarder, I'm sentimental, I keep stuff that I shouldn't. So I'm gonna have a want and need box, I'm going to have a throw away box, and I'm also going to have a bag for donating things. So instead of having a trash bag to throw the trash away, which I will probably need one of those too, I'm going to have the option of putting things in a bag to donate. And I'm also going to be gathering up some stuff to sell on my Poshmark closet. One of the ways I make some extra cash is by using Poshmark. Poshmark is actually an app that you download on your phone. You create a profile and you can list all kinds of things and sell them and make money from it. It's so easy to use. You literally take a picture of an item, you give it a title, whatever it is. If it's a cute mirror, you put, Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Mirror. You put a description, you tell all of the details of the item. You put the color, the size, put it in a category. It's really simple. And then you give it a price and then you sell it. You can also share your closet with other people, ask them to follow you, ask them to join Poshmark. And if you invite your friends to join Poshmark, you'll actually get a little store credit, which you can use to buy something else on Poshmark. I've actually bought lots of things off of Poshmark because they have some awesome stuff on there. Everything from name brands, brand new stuff, lightly used stuff, kids clothes, men's clothes, women's clothes, shoes, purses, girl, you name it, they got it. So I really love Poshmark. I've been using it for about 3 years now. I actually had an older account that I used to make sales on all the time when I lived back in Texas, but then once I moved to Virginia, I created a new account with my username Lady Cookie Luck so that I could share with my followers. Really easy to use. It helps you eliminate just hoarding stuff sitting around, clothes you never use, things you never use, stuff like that, and you make some cash while doing it. Let's get started on this closet. Help me. So this is one side, and this is what I'm working with here. This side actually isn't too bad. It kind of looks organized, right? I don't think you're ready for this side. Oh my God, I can't even open the door. It's so bad. Okay. No, You think, oh, you got a box right there. No, girl. No, girl. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's already giving me anxiety just looking at it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Every time I look at this, I literally just cringe. And I think about moving from one apartment to another, and I ask myself, do you want to deal with this stuff that you actually don't even touch? You have hidden away in a closet? Do you want to deal with all this when you move to another place? Is all of this stuff worth dealing with? And that's why I'm going to tackle it today. So I showed you this corner the other day. This is something I also have to tackle. I've got lots of clothes here that I want to list on my Poshmark account. Some I already have and some haven't been listed. So if you want to check out my Poshmark closet, girl, you can check out my Poshmark closet. Like I said, it'll be linked down below. You can check that out. See if you want to buy any of my clothes. But to be honest, this right here, this, girl, no, don't go in there. So I'm gonna start off by removing everything from this closet. As you can see, I'm working with this side first, and then I'm going to move on to the other side after. But the first thing I'm doing right now is just literally taking everything out of the closet and setting it to the side. I have so much junk in this closet, it's ridiculous. I use this closet for storage, but as you can see, I also had a bunch of random stuff in there, like empty boxes, all of these suitcases, and everything else seen in this clip. So this is one of the items that I am listing on my Poshmark. I only wore them like once, and they are Jennifer Lopez brand boots, girl, and they got some studs on them. So I'm pretty much just going through everything now that I took out of that side of the closet, and I'm just trying to figure out what I'm keeping, what I'm listing on my Poshmark, what I'm donating, and what I'm just straight up getting rid of. This box here is filled with so many papers. I don't even know what all is in there, but I'm not even gonna go through that today. No way, no. Too much. But all of these other tubs have lots of clothes in them that I actually need to put on my Poshmark. I haven't got around to doing that yet, but I'm gonna be doing that soon. So check out my closet and see if I got new listings on there, girl. Also, I want y'all to know I didn't just go throwing away a bunch of stuff. Everything that I threw away was literally stuff that needed to be thrown away, like boxes and packaging that was just sitting there. I seriously used this closet as like a junk closet. I couldn't even barely open the door sometimes. I would just like open it barely and throw stuff in there. It was getting really bad, so I had to clean this thing out. So my husband was helping me film, and I actually needed him there for moral support because I'm like, what do I do with this? What do I do with this? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I throw it away? So he's behind the camera helping me the entire time, just in case you see me looking at the camera talking to myself. Okay. So you know how I said I'm sentimental? We obviously know I'm a hoarder, but I'm super sentimental. So this right here is a shirt. I can't seem to part with it because this is the first shirt I ever wore the first day I ever met Alan. This looks like this shirt would fit a toddler. This doesn't fit me. It's actually kind of ugly, and I don't even know why I wore it to meet him. It's see-through, but I have like a teal blue tank top underneath it, but I don't know how to part with it. So I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna have it in like a secret keeper, hoarder, sentimental pile. Yeah. So this side of the closet wasn't actually that bad because I just had tubs and suitcases there, but I did have a lot of empty boxes and just garbage sitting around. But it's the other side that's really a problem for me. As you can see over here, this was the hidden treasures that was being hidden by the big box there. I've got so much back there I've got to deal with. So on the other side of the closet, I have a few beauty products. I've got fingernail polishes, perfumes, a big box of DVDs, essential oils. I've just got so much stuff piling up over here. Am I the only one who hoards like lots of perfume bottles? I love perfumes so much and I like to keep them forever, and they're probably all expired, but I keep them anyway and I still use them and I love them. So I thought this was going to be really extremely overwhelming, but even though it took me like quite a few hours, it wasn't as bad as what I thought it would be. So this is my box of DVDs, and all the DVDs that you're seeing right here are mine. A few of them I got since I've been married, but most of them are just my little DVD collection I had at home. And then the next ones I'm going to show you are Alan's. They're like all typical guy movies. So now I'm just showing you how easy it is to use Poshmark. You just download the app on your phone, pull it up, and then you click the list button. And then up pops the camera. You take a picture of your items like I'm doing here, and then you just share it with your followers. On Poshmark, you can sell all kinds of things. It doesn't just have to be clothes, even though there's lots of amazing clothes on there. You can sell all kinds of stuff. Also, I would like to mention that Poshmark is actually a really good place to buy gifts. Me and Alan has bought each other gifts from Poshmark before. He has found some really good deals on there, like brand new shirts and hoodies and stuff with tags on them that are literally excellent condition, never used. So not only is Poshmark really good to sell your stuff on, make a little money, and help declutter your place, it's actually a really good place to buy stuff too. So after listing a few items, I'm just folding up my clothes and putting them in this tub, and I will just keep them in the closet until something sells, and then I will ship it off and tell it goodbye. And I know it doesn't look the greatest, but I feel like it looks a lot better than what it was looking like. I pretty much got everything kind of organized and neater looking, and I did get rid of a lot of stuff, and yeah. Okay, so I am completely wore out from doing what I did. I know that in the end it didn't look like I actually did too much, and it probably didn't look like a big difference to y'all, but knowing these crazy closets, I think it turned out awesome. I am pooped out, tired, and I'm sweating, which is why I normally don't shower and get dressed to clean, because this is what I end up being like, and now I feel like going to shower. So now I'm just in the middle of like just finishing up cleaning up my room, and then I will show you the end results of that at the end of the video. I just want to say really quick, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Y'all better give me a like and leave me some comments for showing y'all my scary closet, okay? Because honestly, that was really embarrassing. Also, don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet. It is listed down below. You can go shop my closet. I don't have a whole lot of listings on there right now, but I'm gonna be adding a lot more soon because you seen that big tub I had full of clothes? I still have to list a lot of those items. I just didn't do it today because I was getting wore out from cleaning all this up. But Poshmark is really easy to use. You can make some money and you can get rid of some of the things that you don't want or need or use or wear anymore. So yeah, eliminate junk and clutter and make some money, honey. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I will see you next time, and now I'm gonna show you my room. So yeah, this is what it's looking like now. I still have to deal with that another time. But I cleaned up that big, huge mess you seen. Got rid of a lot of stuff, vacuumed the floor. And I also have to deal with all of this. This is all of my paparazzi jewelry. I actually have tons and I need to work on getting myself a display to set all of my jewelry up. But yeah, that's my room and I'm pretty proud of my little closet now. It's not as bad as it was. Thanks again for watching my video, and don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can download the Poshmark app. And if you already have a Poshmark closet or you're going to create one after watching this video, feel free to leave your username down below in the comment section so I can check out your closet or other viewers can check out your closet as well.